Part 1. Introducing building element. The horizontal coverings separating the stories are called floors. The ceiling has a structural part to bear the loads and transfer them to the beams. The upper and lower surfaces of the structural part are covered using appropriate layers to provide functions such as moisture insulation, smoothness and levelness, beauty, etc. The layers that make up the ceiling on the floors from above include floor covering, structural part of the floor and ceiling cover. Part 2. Implementing details. The concrete floor, which can be a one-sided or two-sided slab depending on the size of the span, consists of horizontal and vertical bars at the top and bottom along with concrete with a strength determined at the design stage. The thickness of the structural part of the floor varies based on the span and the loads. For leveling the floor surface, lightweight concrete with a cement content of 150 kg per cubic meter or pumice is used. The thickness of the leveling part is at least 5 centimeters.
The next layer is cement sand mortar, which has a minimum thickness of 2.5 centimeters. On the cement sand mortar, stone tiles are applied with a thickness of at least 2.5 centimeters. Due to the smoothness of the bottom surface of the stone tiles, a groove must be created under the stone for adhesion to the mortar. Cement grout is implemented between the joints of the stone tiles. The distance between the stone tiles is between 5 and 20 millimeters. Common ceiling covers, like interior walls, are gypsum and clay mortar, white gypsum plaster lining and finishing.
Part 3. Constituent materials. Part 4. Reference.